Top 5 Best Air Fryers and Copper Set. Number 5. Delicious meals with little to no oil. Along with that, we'll introduce you to copper cookware sets that not only look amazing but also provide exceptional heat control for flawless. We've carefully curated the best models, focusing on performance, ease of use, healthy cooking, or elegant kitchen accessories. Cooking results. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 4. We've carefully curated the best models, focusing on performance, ease of use, and long-term value. Whether you're a fan of quick meals, healthy cooking, or elegant kitchen accessories, we've got the top picks for you. Plus, copper cookware is known for its durability and stunning aesthetic, making it a perfect addition to your kitchen. Watch the video to discover which air fryer and copper set will work best for you. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 3. Cookware sets. Evaluating them on key features like heat distribution, durability. Copper cookware is known for its unmatched heat conductivity, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly and quickly. With its beautiful, polished exterior, copper cookware also adds a luxurious touch to any kitchen. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 2. These top-rated cookware sets help you cook with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, cook healthier meals at home, save money by skipping takeout, and make your kitchen feel brand new. Whether you're simmering hearty stews, searing the perfect steak, or whipping up quick weeknight dinners, the right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. This small but mighty chopper is perfect for quick jobs, camping, or small kitchens. Many models are hand-pull or mini-electric style, so you don't need a plug. Just pull or push, and you're done. Great for chopping garlic, chili, or herbs without dirtying your big tools. It's compact, easy to clean, and super handy on the go. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. Check latest price. Visit the description link.